I've been taking the risk. Some of these accounts get to bans. Some of these accounts don't get to bans. And that's just the payment in order to get to where you want to be, if that makes sense. Because everybody got a choice in the market. The only thing we don't have a choice in is what the market decides. But we got a choice to take the money. We got a choice in where we enter. We got a choice in where we exit, if we exit. Well, and yeah, and how long we hold. So it's just about managing your emotions, because eventually it's going to get to a point in this account flip to where, even if we are trading the same way, because you didn't train yourself emotionally, your emotions aren't used to holding this long. Your emotions aren't used to taking this kind of risk. Your emotions aren't used to these kind of lot sizes. Your emotions are not used to this kind of intensity. It's your job to catch up with me. It's not my job to come back down and try to make you comfortable. That's fucking stupid. Like, because it's like working out too. At my heaviest, I was like 260 pounds. And it's like a decision of, okay, if I'm at 260, I'm not 260 oh, obviously. If I was 260 and I decide that, oh well, losing weight is just gonna be so hard, I don't know if I can do it. I'm just gonna fucking stay huge. Then bitch, I'm gonna be 340. I'll be 500. That's what's next. The higher highs is next. My higher highs was next. I decided to go low. I'm like, you know what? I'm at a high. And I'm not going at no higher high. I'm going to a higher low. And I might get to a lower high and wait. And then I go my ass back down to a lower low, but we never making higher highs again. That's what the market has decided. But it's in the sense of an asset. You can't just decide you're not gonna do no hard shit because you don't want to. Imagine that. Like, imagine how many people get married. They're like, okay, that's their goal. They're like, okay, I'm married now. What's next? La 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 la. Not gonna physically get fit. Not gonna emotionally get fit. Not gonna fucking financially get fit. They want to lay up for the next 50, 70 years. Like, you gotta have a purpose. You gotta have a purpose. And the purpose outside of that, you gonna have to get out of the loop of just stop paying bills, because it really is a loop. Like, imagine, bro. I can't even say imagine. I just know myself. I didn't get no change until I started investing in assets. And even when I start stabilizing in jobs, I did not get a change until I started buying Tesla. Okay, what's Tesla doing? Oh my God, I made my first $5 passively. I'm gonna do it again. Let me get some Apple. And then Apple lead into, oh, y'all making money fast over here. Oh, what's day trading? Da, 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 da. Oh shit, I just made $1,200 in 5 minutes. I never done that before. I've never had $1,200 at one time. So let me keep doing that. So it's a matter of compounded knowledge, compounded habits, compounded exhaustion of, I would say, I don't know, exhaustion of trying to perfect yourself. It's like a constant state of trying to perfect yourself. And these accounts are not going to flip until I perfect myself, perfect these entries, and understand where I am at all times. And this way that I trade, it's the same way. It's the same way. I'm just holding longer. I can scalp. I can intraday. I can swing. Not every play has to be a swing, but that's a matter of what I need to start doing. I need to start actually looking at it like that, so that it's not so hard on you guys. But I'm not here to make it fucking easy for you either. So you're gonna have to fucking get over it, if that makes sense. Because if you could get out of the hole you're in by yourself, you would have did it already. And just like I couldn't do it back then, I had to go seek outside knowledge. But because I wasn't a millionaire back then, just like some of you guys aren't right now, I didn't have access to millionaires. Y'all pay me. I didn't even have no fucking money to pay nobody. Y'all already ahead of me. I didn't have no money to pay nobody. You know what I'm talking about? So it's like everything that I had to do was going to YouTube. I had to go get information. And that information made me money. And then it's like, if I see the results of what, like the receipts of what the information did for me, if the results of the information, then it's like, why not do it over and over and over again? Because I keep saying there's people out here making $1,000,000 a day, $1,000,000 a month. And if that's not me, then there's always something to continuously work on. If I'm 260 pounds, then there's always weight to lose. If I'm 260 pounds, then I shouldn't have no free time, because my ass could be meal prepping, anything. Matter of fact, I'll be trying to figure out how to make my schedule as simple as I make trading, right? And it's like I really don't have nothing to do throughout the day, but it get a little chaotic between dogs and cleaning. So and washing dishes. I feel like I wash dishes every fucking day. It's annoying, but it's not bad. But it's like, what can I do to make this easier on me? And it's to meal prep twice a week so that I'm not cooking every fucking day. I don't have to cook every day if I meal prep twice a week and I need to meal prep on like a Sunday.